Hello, I'm your teacher Randy League, and welcome to Goodwin English's 2-minute English lesson. The first phrase we will look at today is, I caught the influenza. The word influenza is correct, but most people will shorten it. Most people use the word flu. Of course, these two words have the same meanings, but with the word flu, we can say the flu. But with influenza, we don't use the. Also, the flu sounds much more natural. What's wrong, Randy? I caught the flu. The second phrase we are going to look at today is, the flu is popular this year. The problem here is the word popular. The word popular is used to talk about things that many people enjoy or many people like. I don't know anyone who likes or enjoys the flu. Instead of saying the flu is popular this year, you should say this. A lot of people have the flu this year. Or, the flu is really going around this year. That's it for today's super short lesson. Remember to subscribe to our channel to see more English speaking videos. I'm your teacher Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.